often said a child's mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be ignited. And at A to Z Preschool, we believe in lightening that spark, nurturing young minds with love, learning, and laughter. Today is just not a showcase of talent, it is a celebration of dreams, confidence, and the incredible journey of our little stars. From their first tiny steps into school to standing here ready to perform in front of you, it has been a journey filled with curiosity, creativity, and courage. So, dear parents, get ready to witness an evening filled with culture, color, and charm. And our tiny tots take you to this journey across India. Our theme this evening is India, Many States, One Soul. A beautiful reminder, a beautiful reminder that while our country is diverse in traditions, it's also united by our love and respect with culture. I urge you all to stand up for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे विधाता
Coming and looking at all the kids here. एक बार जोरदार तालियां please. To begin this grand celebration, I would like to invite our honorable chief guest today, Miss Mamta Vyas, to join us on the stage along with Hina ma'am and Dharmendra sir for the Diya lighting ceremony.
Because now today your children are performing on the stage. Why this sad response? Come on, shout! I can see so much like shine in your eyes and glow on your face because for the first time I think your children are coming on the stage. This is a very good thing because stage. So the children are very, very lucky to have such kind of stage and the mentors like Hina. So I would like to give lots and lots of blessings to A to Z school. And one more thing, there is a saying that if you do not trust a doctor, the medicine never works. Same is with the institution. You should have faith in your institution, then only your child will learn. So have faith in the institution, have faith in the teachers, your mentors, and this much only I can say. And lots of blessings to your children. And one more thing. See, the children are coming on the stage. If they can't see you, they may come here. Mummy. So don't expect too much things from them. They are too small. So they may come, they may shout, Mummy, શું કરું? એમાં આપણું પ્રેસ્ટીજ ડાઉન નથી થતી. So don't say કે આટલું ઘરેથી ભણાવીને સમજાવીને આવીને અહીંયા એને દાટ વાળો. No. If he is coming here for the first time, it's enough. So please motivate your children to come up on the stage and perform whatever they like. Because you may see કે ઘણીવાર શીખવાડેલું અહીંયા કામ નથી લાગતું. બહુ જ નાના બચ્ચાઓ છે. They are master of their own minds. મગજમાં આવે તો કરશે, નહીં આવે તો નહીં કરે. બહુ જ મૂડી હોય છે બચ્ચાઓ. So please just clap for them. That's all I want. Thank you so much.
साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वस्य नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे विद्यारम्भे करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्दे सदा करिष्यामि सिद्धि भवतु मे सदा God's love it's so wonderful God's love it's so wonderful God's love it's so wonderful oh wonderful love so you can't get over it it's so deep you can't get under it it's so wide you can't get around it oh wonderful love God we love you God
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
States come together to celebrate university, I urge you all to keep clapping and to keep applauding them. Thank you.
My name is Nattuvar. I'm from Srinagar. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you.
My name is Shuprada. I'm from Kolkata. My name is Shuprada. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you.
My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you.
My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you.
My name is Jaswinder. I'm from Chandigarh. I'm from Chandigarh, I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you.
My name is Madhuri, I'm from Ratnagiri. My name is Madhuri, I'm from Ratnagiri. I speak Marathi, but I'm just like you.
My name is India. I'm from India. My name is India. I'm from India. I speak Hindi and I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. And I'm just like you.
As Samaira Sethe, Ajmer as Ritvika Kashyap, Goa as Raghavi Singh and Chitranjay, South India as Myra Patel and Ruhi Shah, Punjab as Hedvig Prasad, Maharashtra as Musfira Sheikh, and India as Arya Galani. Parents, I have a quick challenge for you. Can you name all the states that your kids performed? All. Now get your tap on your feet. We are heading straight to the sandy beaches and the lively tunes of Goa. Goa, the land of sun, sand and celebration. And what's a Goan celebration without its vibrant music? Our little ones from Playgroup Batch 2 are ready to bring the carnival vibes to the stage.
Oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, hey, oh Maria Pitache, hey, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, hey, oh Maria Pitache. Maratata music, steady company. Maratata music, steady company. Alexander and brother music, pushed in the side. Alexander and brother music, pushed in the side. Durante a faixa de luzia eu fico saudade. Durante a faixa de luzia eu fico saudade. Fazer esse penada de luzia leva a chicotada. Fazer esse penada de luzia leva a chicotada. Oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache. Everybody, Maria Pitache, oh 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 Maria.
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और दिन भी सानी 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 आ जाओ
Sia Javeri, Hitanshu Sharma, Prisha Shukla and Trishiv Khurana. I urge one of their parents to come and pick them up from this end. Is known for its lively spirit, and our tiny Bhangra stars are going to set to bring the energy to life. So sit back and get ready to groove along.
निकला ओ गड्डी लेके मैं निकला ओ गड्डी लेके और रास्ते पर ओ सड़क में
Cheering, keep cheering.
मैं तुझे छोड़ आया ओ छोड़ आया मैं तुझे छोड़ आया रब जाने कब गुजरा अमृतसर हो कब जाने लाहौर आया मैं तुझे छोड़ आया एक मोड़ आया मैं तुझे छोड़ आया Slow it down. कि तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी ओ मुंडा सिर पे अड़ा ओ तेरा पीछे पड़ा ओ मुंडा सिर पे अड़ा तेरा पीछे पड़ा मेरे नाल कर ले जरा दिल देना दिल लेना दिल देना दिल लेना मैं सौदा मैं सौदा मैं सौदा करा करा मैं सौदा करा करा मैं सौदा करा करा मैं सौदा करा
Tiwari, Samaira Sethe, Ishika Chavaria, Advik Singh, Jaksh, Shivin Kolvat and Musfaira Sheikh. अब स्टेज पर आने वाला है साउथ इंडिया के असली रॉक स्टार्स एन्ना रास्कला माइंड इट. South India is known for its rich traditions, beautiful temples and of course its love for cinema and dance. From Bharatnatyam to latest Tollywood beats, South India has its all. And what better way to celebrate than with our next act, Lungi Dance. So let's welcome our energetic little performance from Playgroup Batch 1.
बैल जैसे धूल उड़ा के सींग उठा के तुम भी नाचो बाजी चढ़ के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो
हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो वेद नाचो
अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे बाग डोर छोड़ नाचो जो तो रोट मोटा मिर्च खा के ऐसे नाचो आज छोरे
हाँ जगोरे
हाँ जशोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 कच्ची कैरी जैसा खट्टा नाचो 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 बिच्छू काटा लागे ऐसा नाचो
मूंछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मूंछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के और रजनी फैंस don't miss the chance all the Rajini fans don't miss the chance lungi dance 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 चलो जवानी बड़ा जोर जिम्मेदार रजनी दा फैन सिवे
में जब ये गाना बजेगा ऑन द फ्लोर आना पड़ेगा, लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा, स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा। डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा ऑन द फ्लोर आना पड़ेगा, लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा, स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा। All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance. All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance. Lungi dance, 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 lungi dance.
Myra, Ruhi, Agastya, Brahma, Kushal, Vedic, Lavanya, Diva, Arya and Jianchi. I would urge all their parents has gotten all of you excited for what's coming in next. But before that, let's take a short moment to reflect on the wonderful journey of learning, creativity and growth. We have put together a special presentation showcasing the milestones of our little ones at A to Z Preschool. Preschool, we believe in the all-round development of every child. Learning is just not about books, it's about experiences, cultures and skills that will prepare them for a bright future. Our focus is always on holistic development. Academics, creative skills, social skills and physical well-being, ensuring every child grows in an all-rounded way.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish.
Now that you saw our kids in action, we just wanted to look back and let you know that all we do throughout the year is not just make them learn the alphabet. We also ensure we are introducing shlokas, phonics learning, Hindi and Sanskrit, general knowledge and practical presentation. As you can see, our little stars are constantly learning, growing and exploring. And today was definitely a proof of that. This is what makes us at A2Z Preschool, an education that goes beyond the classroom.
Om Bhurvasvaha Tassavitur
introduce our children to the beauty of our culture through early learning of shlokas, helping them develop focus, memory, and a deep-rooted connection to our traditions. And aren't you all parents proud of that? Is a strong foundation in language that begins from the root level. Our phonics program ensures that kids learn to read and speak with confidence, setting them up for a lifelong learning. Apart from that, we also encourage curiosity and smart learning, building awareness about the world around them and preparing them for a bright future. Learning comes to life when kids express themselves. Through practical presentations, we nurture their confidence, creativity, and ability to communicate effectively.
Here comes the story of Thirsty Crow. It was a hot and summer day. Crow was very thirsty. He was looking for water here and there, but he could
our little stars are constantly learning, growing, and exploring. This is what makes it, which is why we not only nurture your child's early years but also ensure a smooth transition into their next phase of academic journey. We are proud to be affiliated with some of the top schools in the area, including Swami Vivekanand International School, Dr. Pillai School, and Vipyur. We have exclusive tie-ups, direct admissions to first grade, and special discounts. Please reach out to the admissions office if you have any queries. Appreciate our efforts a lot. So just here's a little review for you. Gujarat is known for its colorful traditions and of course its high energy Garba and Dandiya Ras. So parents, get ready to clap along with our adorable nursery students. Jaksh, Hetwik, Sarthak, Shivai, Shivin and Shriya. A round of applause please.
The care and affection that she has received here has truly made a difference in her early stage learning. The playgroup activities like sports, dancing, etc. are well organized and designed that makes learning fun for the kids. The wonderful teachers under the exceptional guidance of Ms. Hina Modi creates a friendly environment for the children by engaging them in creative activities. Thank you A to Z team for such wonderful experience.
Hello, I am a parent of Sia Javeri and my daughter is currently in the playgroup class at A to Z preschool. Our experience at the school has been nothing short of wonderful. The teachers are caring, supportive and always attentive to Sia's needs. The curriculum is engaging and fostering both learning and creativity in a fun way. We have seen great progress in Sia's development, especially in her social and cognitive skills. The school environment is warm, safe and welcoming, making Sia excited to go to school every day. We are truly grateful for the positive impact A to Z preschool has had on our daughter. I highly recommend this school to other parents looking for nurturing educational experience. Thank you.
I chose A to Z preschool because it is very close to my house, so pick and drop becomes very easy. but now I realize that my decision was very good, was the best decision for my kid. The teacher, the supporting staff, all are very caring and kind in nature. So kids find it very comfortable to be in the school. Also, the teachers can speak all the languages. So when they speak the mother tongue with the kids find it very homely environment in the school. And one more thing, that the school celebrates all the Indian festival very nicely, decorates the school and makes kids understand the importance of each and every festival. So kids are learning Indian culture from a very young age. Also, I would like to highlight one point that I saw one video on Facebook where the teachers were actually demonstrating the kids about the tooth pain, and if they don't brush properly, what will happen to the tooth. So, being a dentist, I really appreciate the efforts made by teachers that at a very young age they are inculcating this good oral hygiene habits in the kids. So, in all, I just recommend this school to everyone. It's a best school that I found for my kid, and best wishes for all the kids and teachers. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Vivek Singh. I am proud father of R.V. Singh, who is there with A to Z preschool for about a year as of now. So I just wanted to take few moments to express my heartful thanks and appreciation for the incredible work of the A to Z team. From the first day, I knew that we made a good choice by selecting A to Z preschool. The warmth and the care that the teachers and staff of A to Z provides to our child make it like second home to them. They create such a nurturing and loving environment where my child feels safe, happy and valued. So one thing that I like most about the A to Z curriculum is it is very engaging, well-structured learning programs. My child has not only developed essential skills but also grown socially and emotionally. The activities like the creative play sessions, interactive activities and fun learning methods that is adopted by A to Z preschool is really appreciating, and it makes the environment for the child very exciting and motivate them to learn more things. The teachers over there are really amazing. So they are so patient, kind and dedicated to the children. They pay attention to needs of every individual child and ensure that each one gets right guidance and encouragement. It is wonderful to see how my child has become more confident, independent and enthusiastic about learning as of now. So I really thank A to Z team for their outstanding efforts in shaping the young minds and giving them such a strong foundation for the future. If you are really looking for a place where your child feels loved, nurtured and inspired every day, I highly recommend A to Z preschool. Thank you all, the wonderful teachers and the staff of the A to Z for their hard work, dedication and the love they show to our children. We truly appreciate everything you do. Thank you so much.
Like to share my thoughts to all of you, especially when I'm the entire team of her supporting me and making kids learning, improving their education. This starting base of the school is this pre-primary school, and she's been taking a lot of efforts for making them explain, understand things, making them write, learn, speak, everything. Thank you, Tina ma'am. Thank you very much. Taking very much efforts in making them learn sloks, writing, and many more things using thank you, sorry words, the kind words, to whom to use, where to use, and all everything. my daughter Tia has changed a lot with the help of India ma'ams and the team. And this is the second year she's been there in the school. Now she's in nursery. And she's enjoying a lot, very much. Even holidays she has been feeling like Mama school jana hai, Mama teacher बुला रही है. So I'm very happy with this entire team and the entire class. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, this is Sonam, Kush mother. It's been more than 1 year that Kush is with the A2Z preschool and he's there for the daycare also. And I can see that many improvements in him and he is learning so many things in everyday basis. Thank you so much Hina Miss and your all DDs and teachers. Thanks for your support.
From A2Z Preschool, we would also like to thank all of you parents for these wonderful feedback. Thank you so much. And while you've given us a fabulous feedback, it would be great if you could take your phones out and leave us a review back here. We'll take a short break now and we will be back here at 6:45 sharp to start the second half. Thank you.
सरगम के मीठे मीठे सुर बोलो, मैं प्यार का ये नगमा सुनाने, सारी दुनिया को एक सुर में सजाने, सबके दिलों से नफरत को मिटाने, आओ यारो मेरे संग संग बोलो, हे दिन दुश्मन दिन में गायो
stars from junior KG and senior KG for a power-packed Maharashtrian dance performance.
Deva Shri Ganesha, 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 Deva Shri Ganesha. ज्वाला सी चलती है आँखों में जिसके दिल में तेरा नाम है, परवाह ही क्या उसका रंग कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है, धरती अंबर सितारे
performance by none other than our super talented parents of Playgroup Batch 1. Because let's be honest, अगर बच्चे इतना मस्ती कर सकते हैं तो पेरेंट्स भी.
जवान जाने मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिल जवां निसार हो गया. जवान जाने मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिल जवां निसार हो गया. शिकारी खुद यहाँ शिकार हो गया. ये क्या सितम हुआ, ये क्या जुल्म हुआ, ये क्या गजब हुआ, ये कैसी तब हुआ. न जानू मैं न जाने वो. मुझको हुई न खबर चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर. प्यार की पहली नजर है ले गई दिल ले गई ले गई दिल ले गई.
राय बगल में तू बीच बाजार जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी. होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी. अरे बहन के इतना से बच कहना, तेज हवा से बच के रहना. गिर जाए तो फिर ना कहना झुमका गिरा दे. हाय झुमका ओए झुमका हाय झुमका झुमका.
What झुमका? What झुमका? आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे रहना. ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला. बुलाना मेरा हाथ तेरे रहना. ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला. तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल. तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल. मुश्किल सही आसान हुई मंजिल. क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल. क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल.
Thank you parents, that was an amazing surprise. A huge round of applause for them. Because this just proves that dancing has no age. Just pure joy. Behind all the learning, all the fun, all the performances tonight, there is a team of hardworking, passionate teachers who put their heart into nurturing these young minds. And today, they are here to steal the show. Keep the claps coming.
ओसन की बूंदें पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे. अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर. नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर. खो न जाए तारे ज़मीं पर. छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे. हाले हाले झरोके चले खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे. दबे दबे पाँव जरा चले
Learning and fun go hand in hand. A big shout out to all our faculty members and DDs who work so hard not to just put this together, but make the entire event and the whole entire year possible. So फिर से जोरदार तालियां.
Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark.
Grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark.
Grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark.
Let's go play. Let's go play. Let's go play. Let's go play. Run away. Run away. Run away. Run away. Hungry sharks. Hungry sharks. Hungry sharks. Hungry sharks. Feed the sharks. Feed the sharks. Feed the sharks. Feed the sharks. It's the end. It's the end. It's the
A very special achievement. The tiny hands that once held crayons are now ready to pick up pencils. The little voices that once called for their mommies are now confidently reciting poems. Let's invite all our young graduates on stage to receive their certificates and take their first step towards a bright future. Can we have Arya, Agastya, Arush, Brahma, Chiranjay, Devyan, Dipali, Divya, Drishiv and Angela from playgroup batch on the green room please. Arush, Brahma, Chiranjay, Devyan, Dipali, Diva, Drishiv and Angela. Child and parents, please come. Lavanya, Myra, Prisha, Raghavi and Ridan with their parents please. Next, can we have Divyanshi, Mushfira and Shriya with their parents, please? Next, can we have Arvi, Adira, Advik, Hetvik, Ishika, Jaksh, Kia, Sumaira, Sarthak. All of the Mamta ma'am and Alkeshwar on the stage, please.
Let's look.